This game is called Win Bowling. You're going to need an unused balloon or a paper plate and plastic cups. I have 10 set out here. If you don't have 10, use whatever you have. You're going to set them up on the edge of the table. The goal of this game is to knock all the cups off the table. If you have that balloon, this is very challenging. You're going to air that balloon up and then let the air escape out of the balloon to blow the cups off the table. If you have a balloon, it's going to be much more challenging for you. How many can you knock off out of the 10 in 1 minute? If you don't have a balloon, you have a paper plate, you might get more than 10. If you do, stack them back up and see if you can do them again. Try it both ways if you have both. Now I only have the paper plates, so I'm going to try to knock all these off, and if I do, I'm going to set them back up and see how many I can get. Ready, set, and let's go. Here's one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. I have 30 seconds left. Set them all back up. Again, if you're using a paper plate, it's a little bit easier. If you're using a balloon, I'm sure it's so much more challenging. 20 seconds left. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, come on, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the time is up. I was able to knock off 19. Again, if you had a balloon, it was much more challenging for you. If you don't have a balloon, be creative and make it work for you and your families. Challenge them, have fun with this, and how many can you knock off in 1 minute? Have a blast.